This is 3.3, talking about angles of polygons. So a polygon is a closed figure with straight edges, and those edges only intersect at their endpoints. So these are polygons because they all have straight edges and they are one whole figure. These are not polygons because this one is round, this one is two parts, so they intersect here at more than just their edges, and this figure is open, so they have to be closed as well. So we can measure the inside angles of a polygon. Just like how a triangle, the inside angles add to 180 degrees, each polygon has a different number that they add to. So we're going to talk about S is the sum of the angles, and N is the number of sides. So then I have a formula, S equals N minus 2 times 10. So I take the number of sides, subtract 2, and then multiply by 180. I could do that, or I can look at a figure and I can say, well, if it's a quadrilateral, I can put two triangles in there, and each is 180, so they would add to 360 degrees. Or what if I have a pentagon? I can put three triangles in there, and 3 times 180 is 540, and that is all of these angles is 540 together. Or I can use my formula, and that will tell me as well. So we're going to find the sum of the interior angles of an octagon. An octagon has 8 sides, so my formula is S equals 8 minus 2 times 180. So that's 6 times 180, which is 1080. And that is what the inside of all of the angles add up to. If I have a hexagon, I'm going to have S equals 6 minus 2 times 180, which is 4 times 180, which is 720. If I have a regular polygon, that means all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal as well. So a regular octagon, we found the interior angle was 1080, but for a regular one, to find each angle, I take the total and divide by how many there are. So for an octagon, it's 1080 divided by 8, or S over N tells me each angle. I can also find missing angle measures. So here I have this kind of quadrilateral, and it tells me 60, 90, the box means 90 because it's a right angle, and 86. So my S, the total, is going to be 360. Then I add up all the insides and set it equal to 360, and then I solve for X. So X is 124 degrees. If I have this pentagon, the inside of a pentagon adds to 540. Put all my angles that it tells me, including the one I don't know, and set it equal to S. So I set it equal, this goes here, and then solve for X, and X is 165. Now if I'm looking at this figure, it's a star. The blue shape makes a star. What is the sum of the interior angles? So I have to count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 interior angles. So I have the point and the inside of each arm of the star. So I have 10, which means there are 10 sides, and so the sum is 1,140 degrees. But I can't tell you what each little point is and what the big angles are either, because I don't have any of those information. So I can only tell you the sum.